All right, so what we're working on here is more of what we talked about as far as when you were sliding into the ball as opposed to turning those hips, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna use this alignment rod that I have in the ground here. What we're gonna do is set up to it like we're gonna hit a normal shot. And as you can see, when I swing, I'm not sliding into this pole. There's still some gap there, right? So I mean, we're gonna see here pretty quickly, you're gonna get some instant feedback on how your hip rotation is, okay? So go ahead and set up right in there and just make a practice swing. Foot right against the pole. Good, and we're going at that same target that we've been going at. Okay, what'd you feel there?
Kind of feel my body go into that left side.
Yeah, your left hip hit right on it, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna see, especially when we watch these videos that I'm taking, is as you're coming down, your first move is to shift this weight laterally. Just pressure right on that front foot, sorry. So I want you to feel like as you transfer that weight, it's more through this rotation, okay?
Okay.
So make a few practice swings and don't let that left quad or hips hit that pole. There we go, good. Feel the difference?
Yeah.
Feel a little foreign? Good.
Feels better. It feels different, but it feels better.
Okay. All right, let's try one here. Same target. Check your alignment. We've been working on that. Just nice and smooth. Don't let that hip hit that pole. Alignment's good. All right, pretty good. A little bit, but still better.
Yeah.
And this is something you can just practice when you come out here and you're working on what we're working on, okay? So when you come out to practice, you don't necessarily need to do it with hitting balls, but make some practice swings in between shots, just using this alignment rod, okay?
Okay.
Just for the next week or so until we get back together, so you can really hammer out getting this hip turn and not that sway, because that's really going to affect our consistency of contact. Don't you agree?
Absolutely.
Good. All right, much better. I mean, that's 2 in a row, right on the target. Good. One last one here. All right, check your alignment again. Make sure if anything, those shoulders feel a little closed for the time being. Good.